Here's your WNEM TV5 news update.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Frank Turner. Here's a look at the top stories we're following today. Governor Whitmer announcing a new program to give 4 million free masks to vulnerable residents to stop the spread of COVID-19. The state health department, Ford Motor Company, and FEMA teaming up for the My Mask Aid project. The free masks, including 1.5 million from FEMA, the state has already sent to organizations, including local community action agencies serving low-income residents. Another 1.5 million from Ford will go to schools and some COVID-19 testing sites. State leaders say the trend of new cases in Michigan has plateaued, but the risk for community outbreaks still remains high.
This virus demands to be taken seriously. Youth will not protect you from this virus. Your political affiliation will not protect you from this virus. And this virus will not go away just because we're tired of dealing with it. The only way we can put a stop to this pandemic, an end to this pandemic, is to take it seriously.
Dr. Janae Caldoun urging all school leaders to require children of all ages to wear masks if they're returning for in-person learning this fall. Metamora Township Police searching for a police impersonator. A 22-year-old man stopped last night on South Lapeer Road, just south of Dryden Road. The fake officer asking the driver for his license, proof of insurance, and registration. The driver letting the man know he'd provide the information after he called 911. The suspect immediately leaving the scene. The impersonator, described as white with short dark hair, driving a newer black Dodge Charger with black rims and red and blue lights. Anyone with information is asked to call police. California researchers identifying the likely order of COVID-19 symptoms. Fever is usually the first symptom for patients, cough and muscle pain next, followed by nausea and diarrhea. The scientists presented the ordered list of symptoms to help patients and doctors during the pandemic. Sewing machine sellers scrambling to keep up with a surge in demand. Self-isolation has inspired many to take up sewing, searching for a way to fill the time. A more obvious trigger for the sewing boom is the demand for face masks after the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issued new recommendations to wear them. On Etsy, one of the largest online retailers for crafters, close to 29 million face masks have been sold, worth nearly $3.5 million. And now here's Chris with a look at your forecast.
Hi there, Frank. Everything looks fantastic this afternoon. It looks like more sunshine in store and also another day of temperatures in the 80s. So if you really like the summertime heat, be sure to take advantage. Of course, we know as the month of August goes on and as we get into September, things will start cooling down. You never know how many of these days we have left. We do expect temperatures to cool down next week, not dramatically so, but we'll certainly feel a lot different than what we've had the last couple of days as highs only go into the 70s from Monday through Wednesday of next week, possibly even Monday through Thursday. Your first Warn 5 hour-by-hour forecast shows plenty of sun this afternoon. Could see a few isolated showers, especially to the south along I-69, maybe as far north as about M46. But we do expect those to fizzle out quickly as we go into tonight, and the coverage of those this afternoon should be pretty isolated. As we work through the day tomorrow, we'll likely see a dry start to Saturday, and we'll probably stay dry through the first part of the afternoon. But as we get closer to 3 or 4 o'clock, some scattered showers and thunderstorms will likely develop and then stick around for Saturday night and also the early parts of Sunday. We do expect most of the rain on Sunday to be during the morning hours before eventually pushing off to the east during the afternoon, and we'll likely see a little late day sun on Sunday as well. Monday through Thursday of next week looks like a gorgeous stretch. We'll have plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the 70s, and overnight lows very pleasant as well, falling down into the 50s, perhaps even the 40s.
Remember to tune into WNEM TV5 on air and online 24/7 for the latest news, weather, and information.